Welcome to the ConnectON introduction video. The aim of this video is to provide an overview of what ConnectON is and how ConnectON can be used as a tool for economic growth. In this video, we will talk about what ConnectON is, how ConnectON began and evolved, what asset mapping is, and how to access ConnectON. We will also take a tour of ConnectON and talk briefly about some user examples. ConnectON is an economic development tool created to support municipal and regional decision-making and growth. This Ontario database has been developed and guided by municipal staff for their use. ConnectON is an asset mapping program where over 70,000 data points are mapped across 40 municipalities. Municipalities have the ability to upload, update, select, sort, and map their own data, as well as view the data regionally from neighboring participating municipalities. Current municipal partners are participating in asset mapping for the agri-food and manufacturing sectors, and as the program grows, there is an opportunity to add other sectors and geographic areas. ConnectON began in 2014 when the Golden Horseshoe Food and Farming Alliance identified agri-food asset mapping as an important tool to build a robust regional database. The project started as a pilot in 2015 involving the Golden Horseshoe municipalities and was further extended to include the Greater Golden Horseshoe area and Eastern Ontario. In 2016, the project expanded to include asset mapping of the manufacturing sector. In 2017 and 18, the development of a common approach to data collection, mapping, data query, and related economic development tools emerged. In 2019, the ConnectON brand was born, creating a name, logo, tagline, and public-facing website. In 2020, ConnectON has focused efforts to refresh data with existing partner municipalities. In conjunction with this, ConnectON has been working to expand new geographic areas and partnerships. With an understanding of what ConnectON is and its background, let's define asset mapping. Asset mapping is a tool that provides information about the strengths and resources of a sector, spanning multiple sectors and communities. This makes asset mapping a resource to identify, evaluate, and strategize on strengths, gaps, opportunities, and solutions. In essence, asset mapping is when assets are inventoried and depicted on a map. Accessing ConnectON. Who can access and how to access the tool. To build a regional database, we welcome all municipalities in Ontario to participate in contributing business information. The data that is captured in the ConnectON platform is from business resources that are currently available. Data sources include municipal, government, third-party, and open-source data. So how can you get involved? Once you have contacted the ConnectON team and signed a data sharing agreement, municipal staff will be provided a login and password. From here, users will be able to log in and access the ConnectON web-based tool. To contact the ConnectON team, please email info@connecton.ca. Let's go on a brief tour to explore ConnectON and its features and tools. Welcome to ConnectON. Once signed in, you will be greeted by the main page of the ConnectON tool. The tool is made up of three main sections: the toolbar, the side menu, and the map. Starting in the top left-hand corner, we have a toolbar where users are able to select an industry sector and geographical area. Users have the ability to select their municipality, but also to view data regionally. Also featured in this toolbar are navigation tools such as a navigation cursor and asset identifier. Also in the top left-hand corner is access to the side menu, which includes the toolbox, legend, base map, and help tabs. The toolbox is where users can query data by filtering by NAICS, by asset name, and by geometry. These filters can be used individually and in conjunction with each other. This is also where users can download and upload their data. Moving through the other tabs, there is a legend which lists all assets coinciding with the symbols and colors on the map. The Base Map tab indicates the different base maps you can select. The default is Google Streets, however, users can select a map that aligns best with their mapping purpose. The Help tab is where users can find NAICS lists for the agri-food and manufacturing sectors. This is a great reference for users while working with the tool. Another feature available on the ConnectON platform are the map overlays. In the top right-hand corner, a menu opens where users can add overlays onto the map. For example, railways or healthcare facilities. In this menu, users can also access the different base layer maps. These are the same base maps found in the side menu. This concludes our tour of ConnectON. With an understanding of the tool, let's talk about how ConnectON has been used by municipalities and partners. ConnectON is being used for economic development, planning, emergency preparedness and response, and project support. ConnectON has also supported policy and research. For example, a carrot value chain analysis was completed by Synthesis Agri-Food Network to understand how carrots make it from farm to table. ConnectON also supported the City of Hamilton to create a visual map of an existing supply chain. 4 maps were produced to highlight Hamilton's automotive, aerospace, and steel supply chains to support a recent bid for a new investment. ConnectON has supported many projects and initiatives. Please visit www.connecton.ca to check out a full list of examples. As funding has become available and new partnerships developed, ConnectON will continue to evolve and grow. This brings us to the end of our ConnectON introduction video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to connecting with you. Please contact us at info@connecton.ca. Thank you.